guys, it's Sunday evening. Finally I got some time to produce some boat tour video because I think it will be quite long. I divided for two parts. One part will be inside and the second part will be outside, including engine, because I think for one video it's too much things together. So let's start talk about the boat itself. It's a Colin Archer, 37 foot long, and it's the boat was built on 1978 in Randesund, close Kristiansand in Norway. The design, it's made after Colin Archer RS-22. As you can see, here is original plans. Who was made for the first owner on 1978. Redningsskøyta 22. So RS, it's in Norway, it's Redningsskøyta. It's you can see the mark RS and the number. It's Larvik, Svolvær, Christiana, you know, many of them. Most of you know Colin Archer. It was a great builder. They came to Colin Archer with a question: if he can manage, if he can build a boat, who will be tough for tough weather, is not a pleasure yacht, as you can see, a lot of nice glassy varnish. It's a working boat. This one is working boat, and we love it with the soul as it came from the second owner. Previous owner, he added more ballast, so now we have almost 17-18 tons, because it's quite heavy and steady, and this boat starting to have speed from 50 knots. 50 knots you start to getting some speed, and but when other boats, when modern boats start to reef, then you finally got some speed. With a good wind and not so high sea, you can sail up to 9 knots, which is pretty fast for this kind of boat. We have two bunkers on each side, port side, starboard side. There are two bunkers where two persons can sleep. V-bird, was originally for four small people, but two was tough to sleep there, I think. So, but there are 4 places for sleep. But we, because now it's an owner version, we rebuild it for owner version. So we extend the V-bird downstairs, so the bed is quite more wider, and on the second floor we use the old bed like a storage. Around the seat, under, there is a lot of storage space, and behind there is a lot of storage. Kitchen is quite tiny, 2 persons, it's perfect. We have two burners. We can set up the burners for gimbal, so we can put it to gimbal as well. But when we sailing, we usually eating cracks. And on a stern, there are two places for person to sleep each side, but left side, the port side, I actually closed because I installed a wash machine with a dryer, and behind it's some electrician stuff, including inverter. On the other side, there is a space for 1 person as well, or 2 small hobbits. Then we have navigation table, but we don't use it today because everyone using the navionics and electronic stuff. But still, I keeping the old maps. I like this old school, and so I like to look on all maps, and so I will keep this this chart table, and below the chart table there is a fridge. There is a fridge, let's say 120, 150 liters deep, so it's enough for 2 persons to sail for 2-3 weeks. We have two tanks each side. Port side it's for diesel. There is 300 liter diesel tank, and water tank has the same amount. It's a 300 liters of water. We don't have any electronic or sensors or anything like that. Physics, it's the best measurement, I think. So nothing can broke, nothing can fail. So it's perfect measurement, and it's a bit stylish to old style as well. Even if it's old boat, we have to equip the boat with some safety device as the Navtex and AIS, and originally we have radar. We have radar, so I can see the weather when bad weather is. I can see on the water if something will float like a container. I can see like a spot, but I have to study. To be honest, I have to study manual a little bit more. Or previous owner gave me advice that I can stop fishermen guys, and fishermen they exactly know how to operate this kind of radar what we have. It's GRC, the old version. We have autopilot Simrad. It's hydraulic. It's connected hydraulic pump on the back. I will show you when we walk outside on part 2. For winter and cold evenings, we have reflex oven, which is feed up from the main tank, but we have day tank under the bunker here. So inside there is a manual pump. So I just pump from main tank to day tank some few liters for night or for a few days. So I just pump up some diesel, and we have warm enough for, because all heat accumulate mostly on the top. So then I added the small fan. You can see it here. So I'm pressing the hot air down, so it's a bit warmer on the floor. And also maybe you can hear as second heating, we installed Webasto. So Webasto, it's coming to V-Beard, and it's coming to the main galley here. So I hope you like it, the small tour from inside. Next one will be from the outside when weather will be much better. So now we're going to sleep. I would like to apologize for bigger dog. While we recording, he was drinking water. I spotted now, so I'm very sorry for that. So I hope you like it. You can leave comment again if you would like to ask for something about this boat. You can leave us comment. If you like our channel, if you feel like it can be interesting, you are welcome to subscribe. And we work hard today, so we deserve one Caribbean rum. So have a nice week, and see you next time. Bye bye.